My name's Karia, no wharawhara ahau.
My name's Iris, no Ngarawahi ahau.
So we did power pooling last night and we're playing tag today.
Both of us.
Both of us.
Kia ora, I'm Gomoro Tino from Reka, Ki Wharepuinga.
And what are your thoughts about the kaupapa Koroneihana?
I think the kaupapa here is great because it's got all the people coming around from all the points in Tony, and even just all the people just coming to watch is pretty gangster, and the kaupapa is pretty cool.
And what are you playing
today I've just been jamming tag, just getting to know the game and just having a go.
Oh, mean. Thank you for your time.
Kia ora, ko Tana hau no Taranaki.
Kia ora, ko Taylor hau no Kirikiriroa hau.
Kia ora, my name's Tui from Kirikiriroa.
And what are your guys' thoughts on the Koroneihana that's happening this week?
Do you want to go first? I reckon Koroneihana is pretty fun. I think it brings the iwi together and people too. So
yeah, I reckon it's good, getting all the people outside. But no, yeah, good.
Yeah, it's fun to be here, watch the games in Huckers.
Morena kia tātou te iwi. I'm here with my good friend right here. Please, tell us, who are you and where are you from?
Kia ora, my name is Raquel. I am from Ngāti Kahunu and also from here.
And what are your thoughts about the big kaupapa today, the Koroneihana?
Honestly, I only found out about this 2 days ago. I'm just coming into Te Ao Māori. I started lessons this week, and so I'm just here to learn, get some culture, I guess.
Oh, and the atmosphere. What do you reckon the atmosphere's been like this morning?
Well, I've just been watching the face painting or like getting your tamakos done. Honestly, these kids look so much happy. Like, that was some really weird English, by the way. I don't know. I'm just enjoying it, seeing all the smiles, all the friendliness. It's great.